Mindfulness meditation has been around for thousands of years. It is an Eastern tradition that is embedded in Buddhist practices. When some people think of meditation, they might picture a group of monks sitting around a temple going, However, it's a little more than that. When we take part in mindfulness meditation, we are learning to pay attention to what is happening to us at any given moment, both inside ourselves and the world around us. We do this in a non-judgmental and non-critical way. We are training ourselves to observe our events, thoughts, and emotions without reacting to them. We observe, pay attention, and focus on the moment. As mindfulness meditation has moved to the West, research in the area has exploded. Thanks to individuals like Jon Kabat-Zinn and Zindel Segal for the development of programs like mindfulness-based stress reduction and mindfulness-based cognitive therapy, which are being implemented to assist individuals with mild to moderate depression, anxiety, and eating disorders, to name a few. Mindfulness has become so popular in the West due to increased evidence about its effects on the brain. You're invited to close your eyes and to begin concentrating on your breath. You're guided to focus on specific areas. It could be the air traveling through your nostrils as you breathe in, or your abdomen going in and out on each breath. When someone is taking part in mindfulness meditation, research has shown that there are various parts of the brain that could either increase or decrease in activation. And each of these areas are responsible for different things that help us in our daily lives. We are going to look at a few of these areas. As you concentrate on your breath, your anterior cingulate cortex may become activated, and over repeated meditation sessions, it may increase in size and thickness. This area of your brain is responsible for controlling your executive functions, like your attention, problem solving, working memory, and also for regulating your emotions. The insula is another area of the brain that has been indicated to increase in size and gray matter during meditation. This area of the brain is responsible for interoceptive awareness, which means you can get a sense of what is happening within your body. The body scan is a type of mindfulness meditation that focuses on interoceptive awareness. It guides you through all your body parts, from the top of your head to your fingertips, all the way down to your toes. Next is the amygdala, the area most commonly known as our flight or fight response. The amygdala has been shown to play a role in many psychological disorders, such as anxiety, post-traumatic stress disorder, and obsessive-compulsive disorder. During meditation, gray matter has been indicated to decrease in the amygdala and becomes inactive during meditation. The posterior cingulate cortex is another area of the brain that becomes decreased in activation during meditation. This area of the brain is responsible for mind wandering. Through repeated practice of mindfulness meditation, the posterior cingulate cortex works with the anterior cingulate cortex, which increases the ability to focus to decrease mind wandering. Lastly, the prefrontal cortex has also been indicated to increase in size as we meditate and become activated. This area of the brain is responsible for our decision-making, planning, and abstract thinking. Over repeated sessions of mindfulness practice, your ability in these areas becomes improved. Will your mindfulness practice lead you to make the right decision in life? The answer to this question is not known. However, you are going to be more mindful of the process at which you make decisions and develop a source of clarity of the decision-making process. We need to remember that these effects do not happen overnight. Like any other skill, it takes time to learn. Studies have indicated that these effects have taken place after participants take part in these 8-week programs, and these programs have been studied all over the world. Mindfulness is not a cure for your depression or anxiety. Rather, it is a way for you to learn how to work with it. So the next time your posterior cingulate cortex is activated and your mind begins to wander, you might want to take 5, close your eyes if you're willing, concentrate on your breath, breathe in and breathe out, and allow your anterior cingulate cortex to activate and help you focus, without judgment, without criticism, in the here and the now, moment to moment.